I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Whoa, what was that? I thought that was in video.
Just take a bunch of pictures.
Come on, Charlie. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Can we give it to him? Can I give it to him yet?
Yeah, give it.
Aww.
Here you go. Open it up. Doesn't know what to do.
He's going after it.
Because he doesn't use the paper. Charlie, you're supposed to use the scissors. Is there anything in there?
Charlie, the bowl's already out.
Find it?
Yeah.
Oh, there it is.
Yay!
Yay!